to make a basic T-pose person, I'm going to pick an object for a leg. This is an awfully fat, short leg right now. I'm going to grab a white corner and make it skinnier, but I'm also going to make it taller. If you want, you can add a space and another object for the knee, but I want both legs to be the same. So I'm going to select the object and hit Control C, Control V, and I have made an exact copy of that object. Now I've got two legs. I'm going to add a waist to connect the legs. I'm going to get a rectangle, lift it up, bring it back so that it is connecting to both. And if it doesn't seem big enough, I'm then going to stretch it out. Excellent. Now I'm going to change it to the same color. So I have a very derpy looking pair of pants. You could probably do better than me. I'm going to add some roof for feet or triangular prisms. And I'm just going to scoot them right back in. I copied and pasted. Whoops. I copied and pasted. By the way, Control Z will work if you accidentally resize an object. You can use Control Z. And now I've got legs. I'm going to do the same with arms. And why not have some fun? I am going to grab this shape. Woo. Lift it up. Sometimes I like to place it and then lift it so that I know it's over where I need it to be. And now I'm going to get some arms. I'm going to grab this again, and I'm going to show you something called rotation. So these will let you rotate on the ground. Oops. Let me change the camera angle. These will let you rotate on the ground, and it shows you how it's rotating with the red, and it's showing you the degrees that it's rotating, but it also has rotation this way. So I'm going to rotate this sideways and lift it up. Bring it in. Here's my short sleeve. Control C, Control V. Gonna do one on the other side. And then I am going to hit Control C, Control V, change the color. And I'm going to attach this at the end. Control C, Control V. So now I have a t-shirt. My arms are certainly not aligned, but that's okay. If you look at that, this one's almost like it's going back in the shoulder. I'm going to hit Shift to grab both of those objects, and I can move it up. So now that I have arms, I could add hands, and I'm just going to do this little sphere on the end as a hand. And Control C, Control V, bring it over to this side. All right, and now I'm going to get a neck and through the body. And lastly, let's do an icosahedrons for a head. Why not? Although I want his head to be much bigger than this. Now, I will say, if you want to animate these, whoa, that's a flat icosahedron. Boop. Now, I will say, if you want to animate these later, it does have a funnier appeal if you have eyes. So I am going to take this paraboloid and make it a bit smaller. And I am going to rotate it and rotate it again and lift it up. Whoops, back it up. Oh, I could do like buttons like Mario's pants, but that's not. Where is this going? Up. Lift up. There we go. There we go. Boop. Oh, that's kind of creepy. All right, copy paste. Get another eyeball here. I'm not going to worry about a mouth, but this would then be my finished person. So I'm sure you can pick up on the shapes. We are going to make the T-pose people, and if you do, then I will show you how we can animate them.